Hi there, today I want to show you how to install the C64 Dev machine on a Linux-based system. Therefore, I use a tool called Crossover. Crossover is a Windows emulator. You can use Wine if you like. I use Crossover. Crossover is a paid version of Wine, you can say. But it's much more stable and very good supported, so it's every penny worth in my opinion. So what we want to do, we want to create a bottle, in German Flasche, so obvious I'm a German as you can hear, and everything here is in German, but I don't care, you will understand it. We create a new bottle, we call it C64DevMachine. And you can choose different Windows systems. I stay with Windows 10. And let's create it. It will take a few seconds. It's not super slow, but it will need some seconds. And done. As you can see here, we have our Flasche bottle, C64 Dev Machine. And now we're gonna open the C drive. Here's the C drive. You can see all familiar folders from Windows as you know them. And we go to the program files here. And now we have to, do something. Of course, we have to create a folder. We call it C64 Dev Machine. Done. And I've downloaded here the zip file from the actual version 9977. Let's open it, and we open in our C drive our new folder. Just mark everything, and here it is. Trust me, that's all you have to do. Very easy. So now we have to create a command to start the C64 Dev Engine. Here you can create a command. And let's search for it. We are in the C64 Dev Machine C drive. Go to Dev Machine and select the exe file. We don't need something here. Just create. Create. As you can see here, we have the icon from the C64 Dev Engine. And I also like to do, what I also like to do, is create another command. So I hunt for the win bin x64scx. This is the emulator. Very handy if you need an C64 emulator on Linux for the lazy guys like me. So let's create it. Yes, create. We can close this on and we are done. Let's test it. First I start the emulator. Yeah, seems like working. Okay. Let's start the C64 Dev Engine. Wow! And here we are. To show you that everything is running, I said build and run. What we want to see is a black border and a black screen. So, ta-da! Ready to go. Everything else will work. Trust me, it's such easy to use it on a Linux-based system. You don't need an extra Linux version or whatever. Just use your Wine or use your, like me, Crossover. It runs perfect. Bye-bye.